It's almost done. Hi. No! You gotta hit these. You don't want to get him head on. Can you hit the ball? Show me how your toy works.
Daddy, do you?
I know, Daddy's watching too. Can you show me how the toy works?
Daddy,
Show me how the toy works. Oh, good job! Good job. You can do the next one? Good job. Woo! Yeah, now do the blue one. Keep going. Woo! You did it. Is that how Daddy plays video games? I'm gonna play. Ready? Show Daddy. Show Daddy play video games. It's not a hat. I see your belly. Where's your belly?